Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you doing? You join me on this decidedly early but fine morning, where I'm now heading off to Thüringer Wald, which is a place sort of, well, it's towards the east of Germany, so we're going to be heading in a southeasterly direction today. Another organised ride out with Motorrad Via. Now, because it's a weekend trip away, so I've got 2 days away, there's probably going to be less than the normal days out. I don't know, maybe 20, maybe 2-3 groups at the most, I would have said. So I'm on my way there now to meet up with the guys and get all signed in. But before I go anywhere, I need some of that good old go-go juice, otherwise this trip could end very abruptly. Which petrol station to go? I will go to this one, because this one you don't have to remove your helmet, which is always a good one, because that's a right pain in the cock. I shut my middle finger in the car door last week and my fingernails gone black. It's proper digging into my front of my gloves. Breaking is an issue. Ow. Whatever, you big girl. Brimmersville. Bosh. Okay. Danke. Got to get a bit of a shift on. Always bloody late to these gigs. Alright, come on, bugger off. I'm on the clock, don't you know? Well, would you believe it? I'm going to be early. Rode like a madman. Whoa. Whoa. Moin! Oh, du hast warme Hände. Alles gut?
Setz erstmal deinen Helm ab und komm runter.
Ja, ich komm runter. They all try it. So away we go. Now I don't know a lot of these people that have turned up today. There's a lot of new faces, and with riding in groups, I mean I always tend to hand back from the guy in front of me anyway, because I don't like to ride other people's lines or brake when they do. Typically when you ride in groups and you ride too tight, if somebody in front of you makes a mistake in with line judgment or braking, then generally 99% of the time you make the same mistake. So I tend to hand back a bit. I mean, I know the guy on the left here, and he's a pretty good rider. But generally, if I don't know the people, then or how they ride, then I tend to hang back just slightly, because, as I said, it can be a bit dangerous. It's always important when riding in groups that you ride your own bike and ride to your own skill level, and not to the guys in front of you. Now they do it here, and there's always more than one group, and we've got 2 groups today, so 2 larger groups. That if you don't feel safe in the faster group or in the slower group, vice versa, you can change groups. You know, when we make a stop, you just have to let the guide know, and then you can swap over into the group if you find it too fast or too slow, which is always well organised. So at the end of the day, everybody needs to get home safe and sound and not ride like a complete imbecile and you don't feel safe doing it. Well, I couldn't have asked for better weather. Delightful. We may get wet tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow, or today is going to be staying dry. Well, tomorrow afternoon in Thüringen, there's going to be rain, but only in the afternoon, so we'll have left by then. So hopefully we have a dry weekend. That sounds really dirty. Whoa. scheiße in die Hose. Hey. There's a nice bit of road here where you can, well, not that we're not giving it the beans, you can give it more beans. Whoops, bit wide. Awesome road. Well, your bike stinks, pal. I'm gonna get cancer riding behind you. First stop of the day. I think we've been riding nearly 2 hours. Stopped here a load of times before. Last time we came out it was closed, but all good. So we just had a nice coffee stop at this place. Been here a few times. And now the journey continues. mental. Oh, I just had a massive hard-on through all of that. Brilliant. Oh, please. There's always this off-road shit. Been down here before. Nightmare. This again is some bullshit from sat-navs that, I don't know, this is a planned route. But, yeah, we'll come back out onto that road we've just been on to go down this shit. Fucking great holes in the road. Please. What the hell are we doing down here? $150. That's much better than fucking $160. Robin Feckers. Oh, apparently lunch is just around the corner, and we've all just smashed some sort of bread roll in that we got for free. I'm dribbling in my helmet. I just ate my bread roll. Now I've got some sort of nasty dribbling soup in the helmet. Oh, I am properly Hank Marvin. Gonna destroy this lunch. Oh, what a ride it has been so far though. Absolutely fantastic. The weather is glorious and the roads, mwah. Have some of that. Yeah. Well, gang, sorry I lost you after lunch. I had a bit of a camera malfunction. But now we seem to be back up and working. Not far to go now to the hotel, 25 k's or something like that. So if I can get out here, because I don't even have a ticket. Looks like we are. But anyway, we just stopped up at here for part of the sort of the tour, bit of sightseeing, but it's a guided tour of, I don't even know what it is up here, Vadborg? Can't remember what it is, no idea, some sort of castle or something. And I've been here before, but a load of them went up to the top to do a guided tour and it's taken them so long. We've been sat down at the bottom for 2 hours waiting for them to come out so we can get back to the hotel. So we've decided to mug them off and just go to the hotel. Beer is calling us. It's definitely beer o'clock. But we are definitely firmly in Thüringen. What a day it's been. How many Ks have we racked up? 335 so far. So we get Torsten on the intercom. Naja. Nee. Wieso? Echt? Nee. Ich bin nicht direkt hinter dir. Ja. Achso, eigentlich nicht, aber kann alles möglich sein mit diesem Dinge. Well team, I think we've just about made it. Hopefully. Dying to get off this bike. Said no man. We must be about here somewhere. Hopefully awaits some nice posh hotel. Definitely out in the sticks. Oh. Is this it? Are we here? We is here. Huh. Zimmer Burkel und Marshall. Ist schon? Okay. Darf ich rein? Oh. Wo bist du? 3, ja. Bis gleich. What dick. See you in a sec. 309. 6. 7. Room service.